In a home care setting, maintaining a clean and safe environment is essential for infection control. This lesson will cover practical ways to reduce the spread of germs in the home, such as proper cleaning techniques, safe disposal of waste, and handling laundry and soiled items correctly. You'll learn how to turn everyday routines into powerful tools for protecting your client's health. Why infection control is different in the home. Unlike hospitals or clinics, home environments are not sterile. Clients may live with pets, family members, or have limited access to supplies. HHAs must bring infection control principles into real-world, everyday settings. Your role is to minimize germ transmission, adapt techniques to the home's layout, keep both the client and their family safe. The goal is a clean, not sterile environment where infection risks are reduced through proper habits. Let's look at common sources of infection in the home care setting. Common ways infection spreads in home care: poor hand hygiene, client or caregiver; improper disposal of body fluids or waste; dirty linens or surfaces; pets, insects, or pests; contaminated medical equipment; thermometers, BP cuffs; visitors bringing in viruses or bacteria. Even clean-looking homes may have infection risks if health habits are overlooked. Cleaning and disinfection basics. Let's start with daily cleaning habits. High-touch surfaces, doorknobs, bed rails, should be wiped with disinfectant daily. Bathroom areas. Be sure to disinfect toilet, faucet handles, and sink. Reusable medical items, such as thermometers, must be clean as directed, e.g., wipe thermometer. If there's a spill of body fluids, wear gloves, clean with disinfectant immediately. Client's table tray, wipe before meals and after use. Always wear gloves when cleaning soiled surfaces or touching contaminated laundry. Let's go over proper disinfectants to use in home care. Start with household bleach. Just be sure it's properly diluted according to the label or guidelines. EPA-registered disinfectant wipes are also effective for killing germs on high-touch surfaces. Soap and hot water may be sufficient. And remember, never mix cleaning products, e.g. bleach plus ammonia. Laundry and linen safety. Dirty laundry, especially if soiled with body fluids, can spread infection. Here are best practices to follow. Wear gloves when handling soiled linens. Roll dirty linens away from your body. Put directly into a plastic laundry bag. Don't shake. Wash with hot water and detergent. Sanitize the laundry area if fluids leaked. Avoid placing linens on furniture or the floor. Let's cover personal belongings and equipment safety. Keep all personal and medical equipment clean and dry, stored separately from family or pet items, disinfected after each use if shared. Examples: thermometers, disinfect after every use; blood pressure cuffs, clean weekly or if visibly dirt; wheelchairs or walkers, wipe down handles and frames. Visitor and pet considerations. Let's start with visitor hygiene. Ask family visitors to wash hands or use sanitizer. Limit visits if someone is sick, cold, flu, etc. Encourage mask use during outbreaks or respiratory illness. Let's talk about pets. Keep pets out of the client's bed or clean care areas. Wash hands after touching animals. Clean up pet waste immediately. Ensure pets are up to date on vaccinations and flea control. Pet fur and saliva can carry germs, especially for clients with weakened immune systems. Food safety. Improper food handling can lead to foodborne illness. Here are some key tips. Wash hands before preparing or serving meals. Clean countertops and utensils thoroughly. Avoid preparing food if you are sick. Refrigerate leftovers immediately. Discard expired or spoiled items. Remember, the kitchen is a high-risk area. Treat it with care, just like the bathroom. Trash and waste disposal. Use lined trash bins for easy removal. Dispose of used gloves, tissues, dressings, and adult briefs in sealed plastic bags. If required, use biohazard disposal bags for infectious waste. Take trash out regularly, at least once a day. Educating the client and family. Teach simple infection control reminders, hand washing before meals and after bathroom use, covering coughs and sneezes, cleaning shared surfaces, watching for signs of infection, fever, redness, swelling, discharge. Use calm, clear explanations. Help the client and their loved ones feel involved and informed, not overwhelmed. Let's review the key points from this lesson on infection prevention in the home. Home environments aren't sterile. Stay alert to infection risks like dirty linens, pets, and shared equipment. Practice proper cleaning, waste disposal, linen handling, and surface disinfection. Involve family members and visitors in safe practices. Ensure food, laundry, and medical tools are handled with care. Good habits, clear communication, and consistent infection control are key to safe home care. When you're ready, continue to the next lesson.